Hi guys, I just wanted to talk to you about the compare and contrast outline. So I'll show you the original version, but this is a sample of a student who did an essay and compared and contrasted Beauty and the Beast by de Beaumont and the film The Beauty and the Beast. And so the object of this is not to compare and contrast until doomsday. It's to compare on a specific point or points. Okay. So the introduction, obviously, I want you to tell me about each story, right? Give me a brief description. What's the story about? And then the thesis statement is that both stories have differences, but they focus on the importance of, and they focused on being unique. This is shown in how beauty is admired, how she is not the average girl, and how she values things differently. And then in these paragraphs, it's going to be 2 to 4 pages, they develop that. So they tell us that the main character is admired, and they tell us how they're admired in both stories. So they talk about de Beaumont's story, and you can see that in quotation marks, and they tell you which pages it is. And then they say how the character is admired in the movie. The second category is the character is not your average girl, and they describe that. Then the third one is that the character is not valued for their outer beauty, okay? And they treat each subject. So they talk about Beauty and the Beast as far as in the storybook from de Beaumont and then in the Disney version. In the conclusion, you restate that thesis in other terms, and then you might want to bring out in the end the significance. So what's the point? And so the student talked about that as well. So your general one, when we have subject 1 and subject 2, please note that that is the 2 different films, and we're not going to compare and contrast till doomsday, just how they're the same and how they're different. So I hope that sheds a little light on the outline. Thank you so much.